Hello, I'm going to do an example solve for how I would solve a Rubik's 4x4 cube. Okay, so scramble the cube. First thing I see is these two pieces, these two white pieces, and I search the cube quickly for the other two white pieces, which are right here. So in the solve I would just do that to pair those up, and that to put those in place, and that's one center done. Then I would automatically start looking for all the yellow pieces, and I can see them right here. So I see that these two are already paired up, so I would line it up to the top layer, the opposite side of the yellow, the white, and I would do up, up to, back down. So now it's like that. Then I have one more right here. Line it up so it's like, I don't know, upside down L. So that when you go like that, that, then that's solved, and that's solved. Then I would just randomly pick any color. I already see these two oranges, so I'll just do orange. Find these two orange pieces. Down over down. Pair them up. That's right there. And that's that. And that's another center done. Okay, so next center is green. I already know. I memorized how the colors are. I know that this is white, green, orange, and this is going to be blue and red. And yeah, so that's already there. I see a green piece right here, so I'm just going to do up, over, down, and that pairs those up. Then I have these two greens. I want to pair those up, over, down, pair them up, line these two up, down, and that completes that center. So now I have that center done. Now for the final two centers, I just basically do it intuitively, so I would just do up, over, down, line it up, over, down, and solved. So that's the centers. Now for the edges, I would just randomly find two edge pieces that I can pair up. I see the white blue and white blue right here. I'm going to pair those up first. So first thing I would do is put them in the M slice. I do a 2 pair, so some people do 6. I don't like 6, but whatever, it doesn't matter. So I would put them in the M slice, and I see that if I do that, it doesn't line up. What you want it to be is like that, so when you do an R, lowercase r, these two would line up. So to do that, these two are the white blue pieces. I would do up inverse, right, back, up 2, and that would bring that to there. So when I go like that, it's solved. Then what I do, I don't do that yet. I look at this piece. It's the yellow blue, and I see that's right here. Now what I do is I usually bring it to the back part so that these two colors are the same. It's a little confusing, but it works. And then I usually bring it to the opposite side, that, like if I'm doing the R slice, that I preferably bring it to the L slice. So I just do up, down, and back over. So now, if I do R, replace, and back down. Now I solve this one and this one. But right before I do this, I look at this piece. it's yellow, red. And I immediately start looking for that piece. And right when I start turning it, I see that piece is right there. So what I want to do is bring that piece there. So I would do that. That piece is there. I would do R2 up. U. And then that, if I do that, it will be paired up. Then I would immediately start looking for that piece, which is right there. So what I would do is bring it to the up, back, right edge position so that these two colors, stickers, are the same. Then I would bring it over to the L slice, like that. Line those up, replace, back down, and those are paired up. Right before I look at that piece is right there. So those two, if I do that, it doesn't line up. So I do up inverse, right, back, up 2. Now it works. And that piece is already in place. Now this is already in place, so I would just do R. I wouldn't do that. I would do R, and then replace right here, then back down. Look for that piece, and it's right there. So I would do back up 2. Now if I do that, like that, I look for this piece, it's right here. Bring it to the up, back, right edge position, which is right here. Move it to the L side. Line up, replace, back down. And then I immediately start looking for this piece, which is right there. So those two are the same, so do you, that, you two. Look for that piece, it's right there. Put in the up, back, right edge position. Put in the L slice. That. Replace, back down. Then I would look for that piece, and I see that this is a parity algorithm. I'll put that in the description. So what I would do is that I'll put this algorithm in the description. So yeah, okay, and now it's solved. Now all the edges are solved. Now I just solve it like a normal 3x3. This is my Rubik's 4x4, so it's not that good. My East Gene is so much better. Oh, parity. I don't like parities at all. Yeah, I can't do double trigger on this. Annoying. And that's how I solve a 4x4.